Alright, so hi guys. This is my summation for the Excel mock interview. I'm Shim Srivastava. I've made an Excel mock interview at will give you mixed question types. Also experience both multiple choice questions and detailed open-ended scenarios. It will cover comprehensive topics. It will have adaptive difficulty, which I'll show you how we have implemented that. It will get instant scoring upon finishing the assessment. We'll get 8 to 12 questions. Around 5 of them will be MCQ questions, and it won't take more than 15 to 25 minutes. Yeah, let's get on with it. I'll uh, input my name, Shamsias Power. I'll choose experience level, so I'll start with the beginner. I'll begin interview. Here you can see we have uh, been given the first question. You will be greeted with a welcome. Hi, Shamsiasava. Welcome to your Excel skill assessment. Yeah, this is going to be a beginner level evaluation, and the questions will adapt to your skill level as you progress. Okay, so and yeah, here's the first question. You are the manager of a small retail store, so this is going to be a scenario-based question with sample data. So you can see we have rendered the data quite well in the actual Excel format or in the actual spreadsheet format. So I'll just copy paste this question to uh, the chat GPT because it will take a long time if I try to solve all the questions. Yeah, well, sorry guys if I sound a little weak. I've been sick. Yeah, mm, wait for the GPT to generate the answer. So yeah, there's the answer. As you can see, we have the formulas for the answer that we'll be using in actual Excel and the actual calculation that is going to be required. So this is along with the step-by-step breakdown for the on how we approached our answer. So this will give enough material for our AI to work with to assess our answer. So we'll submit the answer. So yeah, as you can see, it has processed the answer. So I'll show you guys what is happening in the background. Just a second. This is our backend. So as you can see, yeah, uh, this is the user submitted answer. The question format was open-ended, like it will be a scenario-based question. The user can form their own answers that can reach their conclusion on their own. So yeah, the evaluation score is 0.9, so it is quite close to what the answer that the AI was expecting. So yeah, and for the category basic formula, our score has been updated for 0.2 for now, and the difficulty has been adapted to 0.4. So for beginner, it would start with 0.1 since our answer was quite good. It liked our answer. It is raising the difficulty a little. Okay. So yeah, uh, so yeah, the next up is an MCQ question. It also gives you an explanation to your answer. Sorry, a kind of a feedback. So your answer demonstrates strong technical knowledge and practical understanding. The use of clear and concise language along with detailed explanations and all. Yeah. Next up is an uh, HCQ question. So we'll try to solve this. You have a list of sales data in Excel spreadsheet, including columns for region, salesperson, and sales amount. You want to analyze the sales data by region. How would you organize uh, game agent pairs here? I think we'll use sort and filter. Let's see. Yeah, the answer was correct. You can see yeah, again, the difficulty was raised from 0.4 to 0.5. Data analysis, since our answer was correct, and MCQ is only going to have one answer, so it has given us a perfect score of 1. So I will breeze through this with just submit random answers. Yeah, since this was a beginner level assessment, it would have a lot of questions. again, so it will give you a breakdown for each of the domain it asks you question in. So formula basic, like data analysis, chart visualizations, and all. It also gives you know, a conclusion for the interview. So yeah, strong foundation in Excel since we achieved a 53.5% score. And yeah, it tells us what we should focus on in improvement and what we did well in key strengths it demonstrates. And recommendations and next steps, since we did add in visualization questions, it has 0.0%. So that will ask us to, brush up on that topic or, try to learn that topic. Yeah. Again, go now. I'll go to an I'll go to an let's go to an advanced level question, advanced level assessment. So, we'll begin the interview. Let's see. Yeah, this is our first question. As you can see, it is going to be quite long. This is an advanced assessment. And I'll just copy paste this to GPT and we'll see. Actually, we'll just go. I don't know for this answer. It tells you I don't know what it shows, like how it evaluates the negative answer or the answer you don't know. And we'll also check it in our backend. So you can see, I don't know. Yeah, straight up 0.0 score. And yeah, the difficulty for advanced would start with I think 0.8. So it has it has toned down its difficulty for 0.65. Yeah, let's breeze through this. Since this is an 8 to 15, sorry, since this is an advanced level interview, so it will have more questions than the beginner one. So it will also cover more topics. Again, scenario-based question will go on now. That answer. And since the video is getting longer, let's try to answer one of these questions using GPT, of course. Uh, it will take a little bit of time since this is a big question. Sorry, sorry. Uh, GPT is generated answer. We'll put this in. Submit answer. So yeah, there we go. Since this was an advanced interview, so we scored 39% again. Conclusion of your interview, how you performed, and what all you should focus on. And since the number of topics we covered were more than basic, so yeah, we have more number of topics to uh, we have more number of topics to discuss here. Again, since again improvement area, next steps and all. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for your time.